Hi, today we're going to create a math pattern like this. There is nothing complicated here, but it looks beautiful. We will need the actual pluses and a script for Illustrator, Randomus. Let's make one plus, draw a rectangle, copy it, CTRL plus C, and then CTRL plus F. So we put it in the same place from where we copied it. Let's expand it by pressing Shift, select both objects, and then measure it. Then we'll multiply the pluses. For this we press Alt and drag the pluses, release the mouse button. Press CTRL plus D. Now we will repeat this operation for the whole row. Press Alt and drag the plus sign, release the mouse button. Press CTRL plus D. Unnecessary is selected and deleted. Our pluses are grouped by CTRL plus G. Let's apply script for Illustrator, Randomus.